Predict market trends is strategy software for a specific operational decision, predicts emerging market trends and shifts based on environmental scanning data. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that strategy teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. Predict market trends narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Predict market trends starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include technology adoption rate, annual market growth rate, customer sentiment, regulatory favorability, and competitive intensity. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the strength of trend acceleration by computing a weighted average of technology adoption rate, customer sentiment, and market growth rate, with technology adoption weighted highest. Calculate the overall market opportunity score by combining regulatory favorability, competitive intensity, and substitute threat, adjusted by capital availability with tiered weighting: scarce 0.5x, moderate 1x, abundant 1.50. For expert, calculate the breadth of innovation across the market as a ratio inversely proportional to innovation concentration and adjusted by technology adoption rate. Calculate confidence in trend prediction as a geometric mean of trend momentum and market attractiveness, discounted by innovation dispersion uncertainty. And classify the trend phase into categories: emerging, accelerating, maturing, declining, volatile, based on quadrant analysis of trend momentum and market attractiveness. Seeks keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how strategy teams actually make decisions. Predict market trends returns structured outputs such as trend momentum, market attractiveness, innovation dispersion, prediction confidence, and trend momentum versus market attractiveness. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of predict market trends is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated strategy work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.